Have you ever wondered how Japanese animations are made? Anime is one of the most watched mediums or genres, as it resonates with many viewers around the world because of its relatable stories. So today, I'll show you how to create an anime without spending anything with the help of AI. With this, you can create content like short anime stories or even manga series like this channel, with over 500,000 subscribers and an estimated monthly earning of $10,000. So let's dive in. Since bullying is one of the most common issues that we face, especially among students, I will be making a short moral story about this while incorporating it with the usual heroic anime stories that we see in the style of comics. So first, we need a script, and I'll be using ChatGPT. Here's the prompt that I used to generate the script. Next, I'll be using 11 Labs for the voiceover, which is by far the most human-like voiceover generator. Just click on the link in the description below and get access for free. On 11 Labs, you have a variety of options to choose from depending on the style of voice that you need. To generate, choose the voice in the drop-down option depending on how many characters you have in your story plus the narrator. So you need to do this per line according to the script. Just paste the script here, click generate, and then download. Next is the exciting part. We'll now create our anime clips. To ensure we get this right, I'll use two different tools. First is Leonardo AI to generate our high-quality image. We can use Leonardo AI for free with its 150 credits, which also resets every day. You can find a model reference to make it easier from the generated images by other users. Just click anime, then scroll and look for something like this. Click it, scroll down, and click generate with this model. If you can't find the same model as this, just click on Create Image, then choose Leonardo Vision XL, Leonardo Style, add these elements, now adjust the weight, then add your prompt. I use this simple prompt based on our script generated by ChatGPT. Set the same setting here so it won't cost you a lot of credits for each generation, then download your chosen image. Make sure to generate and download enough images for each scene. Next, we need our images to move, and I'll be using Pika, which is also free with 250 free initial credits. When these credits run out, you'll get another 30 daily. Just sign up using your email and then click image or video and upload the image you generated from Leonardo AI. Then click video options, reduce the frame per second to 12. Then for the motion control, decrease it to 2 or 3, then click to generate. There you go. This is looking good. Now do the same to the rest of the images. Now, to make it like a comic story, we're going to use Canva, which is an amazing graphic editing tool. I'll put my link to Canva in the description below for you to get a 30-day pro plan for free. On Canva, click Create Design and choose Video, then upload all the clips from Pika. Now click on the first image, then adjust the size. Add the second one, and on the third clip, we will need a bubble speech since this is the part where the character starts talking. Click on Elements, then search for bubble speech. Adjust and flip the bubble to point to the character that's talking. Then click Text, change the color and font, paste the character's line from the script, and adjust to fit inside the bubble. To make it easier for the next clips, just copy and paste the bubble and text, then just edit the lines. Remember always to go back to the story script to know which clip you should add bubble speeches to. Do not add bubble speeches to the lines of the narrator. Repeat the process for the rest of the clips. Once done, download each clip. Now we're ready to put everything together. Using CapCut, which is an amazing tool and is also free and very user-friendly, import all the edited clips from Canva and the voiceover from 11 Labs. Add the first voiceover to the timeline and the first clip. Do the same to the rest. Just make sure to go back to your story script for the correct sequence. Adjust the speed of the clips if it's too short for the voiceover. The last part will be adding captions or subtitles as other viewers watch these videos in low to no volume. To do that, click on Text at the top, then click Auto Captions, then click Generate. Choose your template and you're done. Now, what I did was just a basic and very simple process of how to create anime short stories. You can definitely play with it and make it much better using other tools. Now, here's the outcome.
Akio, a calm and composed high school student, walks towards the classroom. He carries himself with an air of tranquility. despite the whispers and glares directed his way by other students.
Look at him. He always so calm. It's infuriating.
Yeah, he acts like he's better than us.
We'll see about that.
Akio was peacefully reading a book under a tree when he saw Kentaro and his cronies approaching Yusuke, who was frightened and shaking.
Hey, Yusuke. It looks like you're alone with your fatty belly again.
Akio overheard the bullies laughing while seeing Yusuke all sweaty and frightened. Akio calmly closes his book and approached the group.
What's going on here, Kentaro?
Oh, look who's here. Fatty here thought it would be funny to mess with us, but we don't take kindly to that.
Did you know Yusuke?
Yusuke nods nervously.
Well, I know what's really going on here, and I suggest you find a better way to entertain yourselves. Bullying isn't the answer.
And what are you going to do about it, huh?
Akio maintains his composure as he steps forward, confronting Kentaro and his group.
I'm just reminding you that there are better ways to assert your strength than to prey on the weak.
Kentaro looks taken aback, sensing the unwavering confidence in Akio's words.
Yeah, whatever. Let's go, guys.
Kentaro and his group reluctantly retreat.
There you have it. Again, this is just a simple way to do it, and I hope this gives you guys an idea of how to go about improving it. Please like this video and also subscribe for more ways to make money online. Thank you for watching.